Hello, my name is Elmer Rios Millán. I am 38 years old. I live in Suacha, Cundinamarca. Below I will introduce my two daughters according to the learning guide. My daughter, this is my daughter Laura Isabela Rios Gonzalez. She is 14 years old. Birthday, his birthday is August 12th. She was born in Bogota, Colombia. Is in 10th grade and hobbies is his free time. I like to read and skate. My daughter Sara Sofia Rios Gonzalez. She is 6 years old. Is a student. She is current a second grade student. Birthday. Her birthday is March 20. She was born in Bogota, Colombia. And hobbies in her free time, she likes to play, read a bike, and play with dolls. Thank you very much.